From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather today.
Fred Gossage here from the Home Weather Center on this Sunday morning with your latest forecast update. And off and on through the evening and overnight for our Saturday, it was a stormy night across southern middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama. During the earlier evening hours, we had several severe thunderstorm warnings, and then additional thunderstorms developed near and after midnight into the early morning hours. Those are shifting east of the area, but you look back off to the west and the southern plains, and more showers and thunderstorms are off to the west, and that gives you the general idea that more showers and thunderstorms are on the way over the next 24 to 48 hours. Rain chances aren't really going anywhere. The latest day one update for Sunday and Sunday night from the Storm Prediction Center has all of southern middle Tennessee, all of northwest Alabama, and all of northeast Mississippi in our viewing area under a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather. That's the yellow. The main concern is the potential for clusters of thunderstorms producing damaging straight line winds of 50 to 60 miles an hour in a few areas, although there may be some small hail as well. Tornado threats never completely zero anytime you have a severe thunderstorm. However, we're not expecting a tornado threat. You just can't ever completely rule one out. But conditions aren't favorable for us to see an organized tornado threat. Now, the website isn't showing the day 2 outlook for Monday. There's a problem on the website that didn't draw the outlook. However, I can tell you that the same parts of North Alabama and Middle Tennessee, so from about our viewing area, all of it eastward, there's a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather for Monday as well. I just can't show you here on the website because they had a processing problem with that outlook. Here's some high resolution model data earlier this morning showing you the timing of the showers and thunderstorms. And for much of the morning, it looks like we're going to be quiet as that initial stuff shifts off to the east. And storms coming out of the plains kind of weaken a little bit later in the morning if this model is right. However, we go deeper into the afternoon, and it does look like showers and thunderstorms do develop over the area by the afternoon and through the evening hours. A few of those could be locally strong with gusty winds and small hail. We move deeper into the overnight hours, especially after midnight maybe, and more showers and thunderstorms develop into the area over southern middle Tennessee and north Alabama. If this is correct, this is all before daybreak on Monday morning. Some of these storms could have some gusty winds, small hail, and maybe some isolated flooding, and that continues on into Monday morning in the midday hours as well. For Monday, it may be that the better chance of storms is during the morning hours into the early afternoon versus being a late in the day situation. Although it looks like there could be a couple of isolated thunderstorms as late as the evening before everything shifts southward, because there will be a frontal boundary sagging into the area. I'll pull up the regional futurecast here, and as we head forward into our Monday here, you see the frontal boundary moving in with scattered showers and thunderstorms. But that sinks south of the area, and even though I can't rule out a few isolated showers and thunderstorms Tuesday into Wednesday, it looks like the bulk of the activity for those 2 days shifting south of the area. But we do start to watch for thunderstorm clusters again as we hit Wednesday night into Thursday, and a few of those storms could be strong as well. Rain chances for Tuesday and the daytime hours of Wednesday aren't going to go away completely, but they're going to step back a little bit. For our Sunday night, and our Monday, our rain chances are going to be anywhere from 40 to 60% for rain and thunderstorms. As we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, the daytime hours of Wednesday that is, we're going to drop rain chances back to the 20, 30, 40% range. But as we get Wednesday night into Thursday, those rain chances jump back up into the widespread range again as those thunderstorm clusters start to realign in the pattern. It looks like for Wednesday night, Thursday, and maybe even into Friday, as this frontal boundary doesn't really go anywhere too much. But that frontal boundary is going to help lower the temperatures by the middle of the week. You see us being near 90 degrees today and Monday ahead of the front, but that front gets in here by the middle of the week, and we drop back to the mid-80s for daytime highs over southern middle Tennessee, and morning temperatures for lows getting back to the mid to upper 60s. Northwest Alabama, more of the same. Low to maybe middle 90s for our Sunday and our Monday. But that frontal boundary sags into the area, and that drops daytime highs back into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. And then we start getting back to the lower 90s as we head toward the end of the week and the weekend ahead. That's looked your latest forecast. We will be watching the radar through the day, and should any warnings be issued, we'll have appropriate updates including live coverage if necessary as conditions warrant as storms develop and move across the area. Brian Wilson is in again this evening with another look at your local forecast right around 6 p.m.